Morning everyone. So today we have come to North Goa. We've come to a place called Arambol, which is kind of like a hippie village, really laid back, awesome vibe here. We arrived here yesterday and spent the day here. So check this out for the accommodation. It's basically all these beach huts. This is our hippie beach hut here. You can see they all have different like beach towel designs on every single one. And there's loads, it just goes all the way around. And yeah, on the other side as well. And there's actually a yoga class going on in that hut right now. So they have lots of yoga and meditation here. And I'll just give you a hut tour. This place is called the Love Temple. So here's the inside. As you can see, a very colourful hut. And this is our bed here, so we have the mosquito net, that helps a lot. Still have all the power supplies, stuff like that. This one only has a fan. And they even gave us some mosquito repellent, so that was nice of them. Then in here you have the bathroom. So you just got the toilet there and the shower. Yeah, so this place was $10 a night, and even though it's only a fan and no AC, it is actually fine at night, it's cool. Yeah, we don't really need to stay around here anyway. We've got the beach and cool cafes to chill out, so yeah, it's a good spot. We're on the beach now. As you can see, it's pretty empty here. There isn't that many people here at all. I thought it would be more busy. The sand here, it's kind of like a dark brown. Yeah, it's like almost black beneath, like a black sand beach. This is one of the beaches in Goa where women can wear bikinis. It's more of a Western vibe here, really. So yeah, women in bikinis is fine here. Guys can obviously dress like this, shirtless, to go in the ocean. There's a few beaches like this, not all of them, but the ones that are touristy, yeah, usually you can wear a bikini. This is probably the most touristy place I've been so far. Just pretty much all tourists. There isn't actually that many Indians, but yeah, it's still very relaxed and pretty much empty either way. But it is the most tourists I've seen so far. What do you think of the ocean?
It's good. Not very beautiful, like Caribbean style, but it's good to relax.
The temperature is perfect, right?
Yeah.
Not too hot, but not too cold. Just perfect. So we've decided to go on a little hike now. You can probably see the hill behind us. I saw on Google Maps that there's a viewpoint there. Haven't seen any picture or anything, but yeah, it looks like there might be a good view, so we're gonna head up there now. So we're on our way to the hill. Just passed through this market here on the coast. Didn't expect to see a market here at all. Seems to go down there as well. Not even sure what this part is, but completely different to everything else here. I think we gotta follow this coastal market around and hopefully there's a path up the hill. Alright, we made it to the viewpoint now. Really tiring coming up here, it's just so hot, and the trail is actually kind of sketchy back there. We ended up buying some bracelets from the market, and that was 250 for two. And yeah, this is the views that we came for. So pretty awesome view of the beach back there. So from here you can kind of see how it's not that busy at all. There really isn't that many people on the beach. And behind, that's just a sea of coconut trees there. Looks beautiful up here. Here we got like the forest behind us. And I might try and find some shade to fly the drone. I haven't flown it that much in India, but here's the perfect spot. Alright, so we just found a cool spot to eat, a nice restaurant right on the hillside, still got the cool views. So here we sat down on like these little beds on the floor, and as you can see, still got an awesome view of all the beach. So this is called Oasis Bar and Restaurant. So today I'm gonna go for the vegetable biryani, which is 200. And Carol is going Chinese style with the veggie chow mein, 180. So the veggie biryani has arrived. Look at all that food, and it is extremely tasty as well. Really delicious.
Very good.
On the beach again. It's gonna be sunset time soon, so yeah, we're just gonna wait out here until that time. And yesterday there was actually a little beach party with bongo drums, and they made a fire as well when it got dark, and people were dancing and stuff. So we're hoping at sunset time that there's gonna be that little party going on once again. We'll see. gonna close the video out now. Another awesome day here in Goa. I really love this place. The beach isn't the nicest beach ever, but the overall vibe of the place and the vibe on the beach, the relaxed, laid back vibe, yeah, that's what's so special about this place. Really cool, different to anywhere else I've been before. And tomorrow we're actually going to spend another day here, so it'll be 3 overall, because yeah, we've enjoyed it a lot. So another day in Arambol. Not sure if I'll make a video, but there's a lot more videos coming from Goa. We're going to be here for I guess another week, check out other places in North Goa and South Goa. So yeah, a lot of Goa beach videos probably. So thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.